Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria Channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Microsoft Outlook profile picture on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. So guys, if you want to change your profile picture on Outlook, you just have to open it by the URL or from the web, yeah guys. Here I'm going to open my Google and now I'm going to search like this, and now go to this first option, which is Outlook login. And after, in this page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the sign in options. Just tap on it here guys, and here you can enter your email first. For your Outlook email, I'm gonna make it first. I'm gonna enter it first, and now go to the next button. And after, you just have to enter your Outlook password. Now tap on the next again. And in this page, I'm gonna tap on skip form now. Now tap on the yes here, I guess, to stay signed in. And after here, if you wanna change your profile picture, just go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner. And after, we'll see here your account. Just go ahead and tap on your account. Now in this page, you just have to tap on add photo, yeah guys. And after, I'm gonna allow it first. And it will be automatically entered to our gallery or our album. For example, I'm going to use this one for my profile picture. I'm going to tap on done. And yeah, we can adjusting first like this, yeah guys. We can zoom in and zoom out. And after, you just have to scroll it down a little until we find here the save button to save it. We just have to wait for a second. So yeah, it's already changed it, yeah guys, for the Outlook profile picture on my phone. And I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.